Good morning mga amigo, mga amiga. So, andito ko ngayon sa aming garage. Just want to share with you my DIY for my son because he wants to learn some networking and server installations. So I have few equipments that I can, he can use. So probably in the future, kung meron man sa inyo na gustong matuto or mag-simulate ng implementation, meron kayong gustong malaman, gusto kayong matuto, so probably in the future we'll be able to collaborate. I have so many equipments at home. Siguro ipapakita ko sa inyo once I have fully um, finished this project. So I'll be installing switches, routers, firewalls, APs, and of course server. Virtualization. Um, I'll be teaching my son and document all of the stuff and share it with you. So maybe if you're going to learn something, you can collaborate with us. But anyway, so this build, this is from our old cabinet. Um, it's not being used for quite some time, so I just got it and make some dimension on it and build something like this. Yeah. So unfortunately, hindi ko napakita sa inyo paano to ginawa. But this is a whole length of probably 6 feet. So I just cut it based on the 2 feet height. So yeah, and then I cut also these boards para sa base niya, something like this. Um, Kasi dito ko ilalagay yung mga switches. I was thinking of putting some in between, but probably I'll just at first I'm just going to file all the switches. I think I have four, and then one server. I have two firewalls, Fortinet firewalls, and I have some Cisco router. I think I have Aruba access point. So basically, it's I can build one solution for my son so that he'll be able to understand how all this networking stuff, server stuff works. But for now, let me um, install this one. I have this to be on top. So basically, I have one below and the monitor on top of this thing. So, and also, I have this, ang tawag nito, and then since it doesn't fit in here, yeah, see, I cannot screw. What I did is I built this. I built this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in here something like this. I don't know, kita or probably behind. Something like this. And then I'm going to have it screwed. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's something like this. You have this holder of the plugs. And what I do, I'm just sticking here so that I can remove later on if I need to. Yeah, this is something like this. And then, let's say for example, I have this Cisco switch. I have many of this. Huh? So what will I do is I'm going to put all these things like that. Okay. So I'm going to add all the switches, and once it's completed, I'm going to show it to you guys. Yeah. So guys, as what I have mentioned, I have this few networking equipment. These are all managed switches. So I have here HP ProCurve 1810, small one. I have also here Dell Power Connect, and I have here firewall FortiGate. What is this? This is my old. This is the first firewall that I purchased when I started to learn FortiGate firewall. So this is 60B, 60B, B for Bravo, and this is the not new, but it's good enough if you want to learn firewalls, rules, VPN, all those kind of because those are important features of the firewall that you need to activate or configure. So this is 50E. I have my 50E coming probably in the month of July. Today is May, and probably on July my new firewall 60 will be coming. So yeah, I'm going to install this one. Video later, I'm going to install also my server. So I have Dell Power Edge, I think. But later, let me take a look. I'm going to install as well. Okay, so stick with you guys. Something like this. Okay, so this is my setup would look like, and later I'm going to install this one, wherein I can do my cable management. So I think I'm gonna put in here. I'm just going to cut this probably on the other side so that I will be able to um, tidy up my cables, my network cables, and um, behind I can properly manage the power cables. So stick with me, guys. So guys, this is my Dell PowerEdge R320. So as you can see, actually I purchased this one from Singapore, and I brought it here because my son requested for me to teach him how to configure server management. So probably we will be doing some Active Directory installation, configuration, DHCP, radio server, etc. So yeah, this server is still very good. I hope it's not collecting a lot of dust. But this one is really very good. I have 4 terabyte of drive, which I'm going to share it with you later. So basically, this is how the server works. Hi, good morning mga amigo, mga amiga. So just a quick update on our project. So roughly natapos na natin yung parang initial na setup. So papakita ko sa inyo closer look kung ano yung ginawa natin sa setup natin dun sa DIY server rack. So previously andito sa ibabaw yung server, but I realized na hindi kasya dito. So what I did is I build nag-cut ako ng kahoy, tapos nilagay ko yung server dito sa ibabaw, parang sa ilalim ng para hindi siya sagabal. So andito na yung mga switches, tapos andito yung server natin sa ibabaw. Tapos sa likod naman, so andito yung server, tapos andito yung power distribution unit. So basically ganyan ang nagiging setup natin. So tatanggalin natin to. Ano dyan yung naging server. Ang problema lang nito is since wala siyang harang, pwedeng mahulog yung server sa kasi dito sa ilalim, as you can see, wala siyang harang. So hanapan ko siya ng paraan how to secure the server itself. So I think masyadong mahaba yung video. What I'm going to do is puputulin ko muna siya, tapos mag-upload ako ng iba to continue the whole setup. Kasi hindi ko pa nalagay yung cable management para sa power distribution unit. So I think gagawa ko ng bagong video para hindi rin ako mahirapan mag-upload. So kasi lalagyan pa natin to ng cable, so the whole setup papakita ko sa inyo. So abangan nyo guys yung part 2 ng setup na to. So I will guarantee that the whole setup will be completed on the second video. So I have prepared all the necessary equipments and materials to complete this whole setup, including the cabling. Papakita ko rin sa inyo yung pagki-cable ko nitong setup na to. So stay tuned.